Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne 3rd generation guys. This is the generation 2002 to 2010. Now, let me guys first say that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please give a like and subscribe. Now, this is the Porsche Cayenne here guys. Oh, the videos will be on this channel for electrical components. Mechanical components will be on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Check those out. Now, if you guys have a problem with your steering column, okay, steering column switch, if your buttons, okay, I'm not talking just one button, if all your steering wheel buttons do not work guys, okay, all your buttons do not work here, if your horn even doesn't work, and you have problem, let's say an airbag light on, this means guys that either you have a bad cork spring, right here, you have a cork spring with all the cables that go through here to the steering wheel, or you guys have a bad fuse. Sometimes a bad fuse can cause that as well. Now we're going to show you guys where to find that fuse, so stay with us. In the meantime, guys, what we need to do, we need to open that cover. Okay, that cover needs to be removed with a plastic. Let me show you plastic panel removal tool like that so you don't scratch your car. Just pry here a little bit. Open it up, okay, like that. You have 5 clips now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. On the back side you can see the fuse numbers. Okay, and we need to find guys fuse number 33, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will be the 5th one from left to right. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one. One is missing. You can see we don't have the first fuse, so it will be the 5th one even though it's missing. So this is guys the fuse. Ours we can check it that it's good. Okay, you can see it's not burnt, we can see through it, so it's fine. But if you guys have a problem with your steering column switch, with cork spring, buttons not working, check that fuse. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.